Welcome back to Jamaica Wildlife again, people. You don't know this will be my third video or my second video in Portland. You don't know, so they are going to hold it, and right now in Jamaica Spearfishing I take on a new adventure. Well, for me it's actually new, for him it's not. Right now we are doing a little bit of camping. As you can see, we're already there, clean up the whole place. I sort out and some things of a sort. Build up the tent them and get the show on the road. Expectation of this video is like we want to do, like I said earlier, we're going to do some camping and a bit of spearfishing, cooking, everything, like, you know, just to keep you guys entertained. I hope you guys like this video. Always remember to give me a like, share, subscribe, yeah? Just go and stay tuned. We out. Yeah, so you don't know, we're still there, people. Right now we're going to set up the tent them and one mount or something. The spot done clear and be things. So I can't even wait for just like do that thing. I'm super excited now, the first mega camp actually. Yeah guys, so while we clean out the spot and some things before we get the tent set up, we just want to vlog a little bit around so you guys can get a chance to see the environment. So we have some little youth, so somebody over there so I catch fish, same way, everything. Yeah, if you guys like some of the old school Jamaicans, they might be familiar with like coming to the Riverside and wash, stuff like that. Pinning out the clothes, like different way them pin it out, do them just spread it out on the ground. Like what you see, not much too long, everything. So I mean, life is just the same in Jamaica. It's just the way you choose to live your life, yeah? Come on. See, kids them, the guys, them are the future tomorrow. The lifestyle with them I grew up with are the right way right now. School break and them come a river with them parents and everything, wash and make sure it's everything good. My boss there has to see him way. Don't want to say something, you know, and say it. Yeah, man. You know, Billy said, I'm a big dancer, you know? I would have to show you something. Yeah, what is going on, guys? Right now I'm ready to set up my tent and one mount of things. So right now, I don't really know how to set up the tent, but I'm going to try a thing. You agree at the first time, so you blame me. Drop that in a comment below and let me know on the thing, yeah? I swear to God, just stay tuned. But there are every... Hi! Yo! Oh, I got this, man. No, what? I just step from my ear, brother. Step push from my bed, I'll go. I got this in the peeps. Pick off. Fire in the hole. You know what's in place? Kind of fun. Yo, it is so windy outside. Tent almost jammed away. Right now, peeps, Raj don't want to help me set up my tent, and we just capitalize because I look and what him do and follow. You wrong me? Me have to set up. Guys, just before we start the other part, I want to show you how Raj wicked. See, you know it. The man tent complete, you know. Chop bubble gum, I like. Alright guys, so finally the tent up. I sweat to put up one tent. Watch it. Alright guys, finally. See there? Ready I know. So it's just to move inside. So my bed here, my bag with local accessories that I need. Change your clothes and stuff like that. Yeah. Alright. So I just roll out my bed now. look like it could take me a long. Right now. Right now, guys, it look like it can't work, you know. To be honest, in the middle, see there? Yeah, in the middle right now. And the way I look like just fine. So the sheet spreader, I'm gonna make it up with an God knows, it's a good look, to be honest. I'm super excited and everything. It's a good look. I feel like relaxed already. I like Jano. Come on guys, so right now we're up on the menu for today. We have lobster. Lobster season closed the 1st of April. So we'd actually kept some lobster because this whole thing was planned, but not the whole spot. We never know we'd ever go out yet. But I always want to do the whole camping thing on Jamaica spearfishing. Even though all of our camping videos already, so this is my first time, so we'd actually plan it so we'd catch a lobster and put them in our fridge. See them there? Lobster! Shaja, roast lobster. We have a squid we want to use to show some line. And you see me, them lobster here from last week, we have them as you can see. I'm kind of up on the fridge a little bit too long because right I saw change colour and them thing there. But by right rules and regulation, we'd have to shoot it from when the season did open. Right now the season closed, we can't trouble them, so we just have to use what we have. You know, agree? I lie? You know. This man is one of the most resourceful person I ever met. Like, watch out. Stone.
Prep table lunch.
What is that name?
Prep table.
Alright, now I just look at a spot for wash off the lobster them. Right over there, so I'll catch the fire. You know? So right now, see the fire there. But for all who know how to do this thing, the logic to it is that you have to light it like this. So everything burn out and it go down to the coal. So the coal are what we really need. So yeah, we just make it go and burn out and then we do the thing after, you know. Knife they just come in handy, trust me. Yeah man, the fire still blazing while Raj just sort out the lobster them. Yeah man, pretty soon we'll have a bit of time, the right time to put them on it. When all of this burn down to fire cold. Yeah? Yeah man. Yes folks, see it there? Yeah man, the fire finally bubble down now. I lie? Yeah, that me I wait pan. The fire there. So you have a style when a fire like this, you say you roast and fry them at the same time. Which kind of sound away, but I mean just to get the crispiness of the skin and everything.
Fried.
Alright, so you're Jamaica spearfishing, just tell her there. Yeah man, stay tuned. Right now we're going to get them seasoned up and everything. Raj will be doing that part because I'm the chef today. Yeah man, so see it there. You can just imagine how this is going to taste.
Man, well baby look now.
Yeah, people, so them almost ready. Dinner is almost served. Patiently waiting for the chef. And we have to do him thing. So him just test the temperature to see if it's too much flame on that or what, half a salt. Yeah man. There. Alright, dinner ready now guys, so come pick a plate, a leaf. Yeah, man. Yeah guys, see there? Dinner serve, you know. Jamaica spearfishing already, I mash up for the money. It's my own there. Swear. Mash it down right now still. Yeah guys, so right now dinner time. See that? Dinner serve. I tell you say. I life here I live right now, lobster tail and everything. So right now guys, really and truly appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching. Always remember to like, share and subscribe. And send a message, drop your comments below so you can definitely know what you think of this whole video. This is day 1 of camping, so tomorrow morning we'll get up and we'll go out. My whole plan is to make a new video, a next video for tomorrow when we actually go into the ocean and thing. So hopefully I can make 2 videos from that, yeah. But for now, this is where I cut the video off. But always remember, like I said earlier, like, share and subscribe, drop your comments below so I can know what your thoughts are, what you think of the video. Share this video all the way around. That's how to keep the channel growing, yeah. Yeah man, and likewise, until next time, peace out, yeah. God bless and one love. Jamaica where life is at it. Trust me.